Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Lexus ES350 key battery. First, gather your tools, a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. This simple process will have your key fob working like new in just a few minutes, saving you a trip to the dealership. Let's get started with the first step. Now, let's open the key fob. Find the small release button on the side and slide it to remove the emergency key blade. This reveals a small slot. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver into this slot and gently twist. The two halves of the key fob should separate with minimal effort. Be careful not to force it, as the plastic can be delicate. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Take a quick mental note of its orientation, usually with the positive side facing up. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery using your screwdriver or fingernail. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. It should fit snugly. Finally, let's put everything back together. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob and press them firmly until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely closed. Slide the emergency key blade back into its slot. Now, test your key fob by locking and unlocking your Lexus ES350. It should respond instantly, confirming a successful battery replacement. Great job!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.